How's it going, everyone? It is Reversal Trader King, where I catch precise bottoms and tops in the stock market. And today I want to talk about ticker HAIN, H-A-I-N. It's a unique ticker, and it's fitting my system for a bottom reversal, and I am very bullish on it, and I'm going to show you exactly why I am. And before I get into the video, do keep in mind I have a premium Discord of only $6 a month where you get my best trade alerts with my entries and exits, and I'll post that link down below into the YouTube comments if you want to join the community. But first, you guys probably want to see the system and how it works, so here we go. So this is ticker HAIN. As you can see, this has had a massive downward spiral move, but where do we find these reversals? Like right in here where we get corrections, that's where I'm going to show you guys, because the stock market moves in waves. It doesn't just go straight all the way down. I'm not going to catch the actual bottom and it just shoots up to like, $30. I'm not trying to, claim that, but I am going to get a correction point where I can get those 5 to 20% gain area is what I'm looking for. So let me discuss the strategy. We have the bottom band colored green because that is a buy zone. That is where price, usually where buyers are going to be, and you see the reversion to the mean. And these are customized settings, so these are very oversold if it gets there, but I do not just buy just based on that. I also look at second, the KDJ. What you see here is 4.76 on this daily candle. The last one was 6, which is why I didn't take it. I want to see less than 5, and we are getting that on here on the K on the KDJ. I don't look at RSI. It's just there just to, visually see it, right? And then the middle band right here is your going to be your EMA 10, and that is where price has to go back to. It does it all the time, and according to a lot of back testing, if it doesn't hit it within a month or anything like over a month is super rare. With anything greater than 3 weeks, you're kind of pushing it. So what I like to do is if I know it has to hit it, like every time you see price go away, get close to the lower band, we see this right here. You have the gap here on the EMA 10. Price doesn't hit any of this, and then it goes down below, and then bam, nice candle here to fill it up. And then I don't care what it does. Algos can do whatever it wants, and that's totally fine with me. Look at this right here. Right in here, you see this long gap. I'm not hitting it. The last gap is 508. 0508. The next touch is 613. That was over a month of time frame, but it's not, a terribly long time, but it is kind of rare. But as you can see, the gap filled, and if we were going to take trades, we wouldn't have taken any of these right in here because we're using the K on the KDJ, and this also is not enough time distance. I look for about 3 weeks out. So right in here is when it's about 3 weeks out, and then we get close to, and then we look for this touch on the bottom band, and that's where we get it. So it's not just the first candle you look for. You want to see time distance. If you see these first couple candles here going down, they are irrelevant because there's not enough time distance on the EMA 10. That is very important for this strategy, so you don't get sucked up in here, but you wouldn't got sucked up in here because of the K on the KDJ. So right in here, you get very close. This is totally fine. I would have taken this trade and would have made, pretty decent gain right in there. Your 5 to 10% gain area, and it kept going up for a nice reversal right in here. And the best way to do is probably trail and stop it right up in there if you wanted to. Next scenario, wow, this is the kind of reversal you want to see. Right in here, you see here, and then right here it touches here, close to here, but look at that massive gain. So what I want to show you guys is the current time frame. I wanted to unveil the painting before it actually happens. It's nice to look at the back test so you guys can actually see what's happening and what has been done. But I wanted to show you guys what I predict here according to the time distance here, and then a beautiful lower band touch right in here. And I'm also going to show you the weekly too. When the weekly gets really close, you'll oftentimes do see a reversal too. I am liking this weekly candle. It is getting close. I have seen things touch it, like right in here. You see where it touches, and then the next week it goes up 10%. But what I'm liking is nice clear bottom right in here, breaking this lower band. And then the time distance along with the K on the KDJ is extremely low. So let's keep that in mind. I am going to be buying a lot of shares of this company, HAIN. I feel like it's very safe, very very nice reversal. A lot of people that don't have this system have been buying these random candles up in here. And, Lord willing, they haven't been buying up in the $10 range, but it's just been down for a lot. And with this system, we can predict on where those correction points are. So that is the system. That's how it works. And for the people who are watching and are subscribing, it's nice to keep getting this repetitive knowledge. Like stocks, and I'll say, if you're a subscriber, I will say, I like this company, and I am in this company right now. I'm very bullish on it. You're not going to know my entries or my exits. And for example, I just traded BCAN today and made over 30% gains because of this system right in here. It went down here, and then, you can look at after hours. Look at this massive spike I just did. But if you were not in the Discord, you would have not have been alerted or on that trade, and a lot of people are happy about it. So that's why I want to get to the next point is, if you guys want to join the premium Discord, on See My Trades, and I also have education videos. I'm posting one this week on, I had the best trend reversal strategy that I like, and I'm posting one and updating a new video this weekend, so stay tuned. But if you want to get in, I'm going to post the link below to join the premium Discord. It'll say join the premium Discord for the best trades, and it's only $6 a month. And the reason why it's that cheap is because any trader with any size of account can do this and ignore the fees, because you will be making well over $6. And that's no issue. And then with the bigger accounts, they're making thousands and thousands of dollars. I just had someone make 20K. That's insane. And these are low risk, high reward. So go down below into the YouTube comments, click on the link, and I'll pin it. And it'll be also in my description. When you join, it'll take you to this free chat landing page, and you can see you're not a subscriber here. This is just a landing page. What you want to do is go here to the premium chat under subscriptions, or click on any of these channels. Bam, it'll take you here, and it'll opt you to subscribe. That's all you gotta do, and it'll be only $6 a month. We just, like I said, a lot of people are hyped because we just had killer alerts. We also have brainstorm alerts where he just alerted a trade that went up 160%. So that's very nice. And then these are swing trade alerts. These are your lower risk, high reward. And this is what it looks like right here. I have BCAN at 0.99 average. And then you look today, I sold BCAN for another 20% gain. And you can see, I guess I'll show you my HAIN averages here. I limit order by HAIN here and here. So you see transparency of why I do it, and then the exact strategy, and then I go over right in here of how to properly accumulate. So, but you won't get my exit. My exit, you have to be in here to know exactly what I'm feeling, and I use a lot of price action for that. But a general rule of thumb is the EMA 10 is generally where you're going to look for your target. But as you can see, it does fluctuate. So you want to make sure you have plenty of room for that EMA 10 target. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe, comment. Any type of engagement helps me post more videos just like this on what I'm bullish and show my strategy and my system on the alerts. That way, because the algos spread it to other people around the world, and it just spreads it and helps me, get more views. So that's why if you like the video, please actually do it, because it actually helps a lot, and subscribing helps a lot too. And I just want to say thank you so much for watching. If you got to the very end, I very appreciate it. This is my next bullish stock. I am accumulating on the shares. I never go all in, but I'm accumulating a lot. And if you want to know my entries and exits, I'll see you guys in the premium Discord, and peace out. Happy trading, guys.